Hello Rainbow Room, it's Mrs Blewett here. Are you ready for another numeracy lesson? Today we are learning some more about subtraction. Hope you enjoy it. Today we are counting forwards and backwards to 80. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Let's go backwards. 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing counting, well done. Today we are writing the numbers from 1 to 30. See if you can write all of those numbers with all of the numbers facing the correct way and formed correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you're going to need to pause the video while you get your pencil and paper from your home learning pack, and I'd like you to copy the numbers from 1 to 30, trying really carefully to keep the numbers facing the right direction. Off you go. Today we are learning all about subtraction again. Today our target is going to be to write a subtraction number sentence. To do this, we are going to need to recognise and write the symbols subtract and equals, and we are going to need to record the subtraction number sentence to represent the picture. So we're going to look at a picture and write a subtraction number sentence to match. Today we are learning more about subtraction. Last time we learned about subtracting by crossing out and finding out how many we had left. Let's look at one of the problems that we solved last time. Look at the juice cartons. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First there were 6 juice cartons. Then Amir drank 1 juice carton. Now, because it's a picture, I can't take the juice carton away. So instead of taking the juice carton away, I am going to cross them out. Now, Amir drank just 1 juice carton, so I'm going to cross out 1 juice carton, and then I'm going to see how many are left. I've still subtracted 1, but this time I've subtracted by crossing out. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 left. So first there were 6 juice cartons, then Amir drank 1 juice carton. Now there are 5 juice cartons left. We have subtracted by crossing out. The number has got smaller like before, but we haven't physically taken anything away. Let's look at some symbols. This is the equal symbol.
Can you make the equal symbol? Remember, we did it before. Equals. You do it. Equals.
Equals means the same as. When we were learning about addition last term, we talked about the equal symbol being like a balance. What's on one side of the equal symbol has to be the same as on the other side in order for it to balance. Look at these number sentences. 1 add 2 equals 3. It's the same. 3 equals 2 add 1. 3 equals 3. In all of these examples, it shows us that the numbers are the same on both sides of the equal symbol. Let's look at another symbol. This symbol is subtract.
Now I'm going to teach you a new action for subtraction. Subtract.
It can also be called take away or minus, and you might hear other teachers refer to it as this. Let's look at that subtraction symbol in a number sentence. There are 6 juice cartons and 1 has been subtracted. In a number sentence, we can write this as 6 subtract 1 equals 5. Today we are going to be writing those subtraction number sentences using the subtract and the equal symbol with the numbers to represent a picture. But we're going to start off by doing this one where the subtract symbol and the equal symbol are already there, and we're just going to fill in the numbers. There are 10 cars in a car park, so we're starting off with 10, so I can put 10 in the first box. 4 cars leave. I can't take the cars away, so I'm going to cross them out just like we did last time. 1, 2, 3, and one more is 4. So 4 cars leave, so I'm subtracting 4. So far my number sentence says 10, subtract 4, and now the equals is asking me how many are left. How many are left? So let's count them. Well, I can see that the top of the 10 frame is full, so there's 5 there, and one more is 6. There are 6 cars left. Let's read the subtraction number sentence together. 10 take away 4 equals 6. Well done. What would the subtraction number sentence be for this 10 frame? The first number is the number that you've started with, so how many counters were in the 10 frame before they were crossed out? There are 5 across the top. Count on. 5, 6, 7. So there were 7 counters, so we started off, so first there were 7, then how many were subtracted, how many were crossed out and therefore taken away? Count the lines. 1, 1, 2, 3. So 3 was subtracted. So our number sentence so far says 7 subtract 3 equals. Now the equals is asking us how many are left. How many are left? Ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 left. So the subtraction number sentence says 7 subtract 3 equals 4. Now we're going to work out this one together. Now this time we don't have the boxes at the bottom to help us, but I'm going to go through each step slowly so that you know what to do. So we start off by working out how many people were on the bus to start with. So let's work out how many people were on the bus. In our 10 frame, I can see that the top line is full, so there is 5 at the top, and then count on. 6, 7, 8. So we started off with 8 people on the bus. So we write 8, and then we're subtracting. We're taking some away. Some of the people are going to be removed from the bus. So 8 subtract. Now how many people have been crossed out? How many people are leaving the bus? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. So 3 people are being subtracted. So 8 subtract 3 equals. 8 subtract 3 equals. Now I need to find out how many are left. Now look at the 10 frame. I can see that the top line is full, and with all these that are crossed out, the bottom line is empty. So that means that there are 5 people left. So our number sentence says 8 subtract 3 equals 5. What would the subtraction number sentence be for this one? Remember, we are looking to see how many we had to start with. So look at the 10 frame and work out how many are in that 10 frame. Can you see that there are 5 at the top, and then there are 1, 2 more? So I could count that in my head. I could go 5 in my head, 6, 7. So there are 7 counters to begin with. So our subtraction number sentence is going to start 7. Then we're going to use the subtract symbol. How many have been subtracted? How many have been crossed out? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 7, subtract 5. What am I going to write next? What was the symbol that came next? You're right, it was equals. 7, subtract 5 equals. How many are left in our subtraction on our tens frame? How many are not crossed out? Yes, 2. You can look at that and know that there are 2. So the answer is 2. Read the number sentence with me, please. It says 7 subtract 5 equals 2. Well done. That is a fantastic number sentence. Now it's your turn, so you're going to need to pause the video while you get a piece of paper and a pencil from your home learning pack. I'm going to help you with this first one. You are just going to record the number sentence. Don't worry about drawing the 10 frame and the candles. So, look at the 10 frame. I can see that the 10 frame is, what's that word that describes that there's no space left? Yeah, you're right, it's full. The 10 frame is full. So there must be 10 candles. So I know I had 10 candles to start off with. So I want you to write the number 10. Then remember we're writing a subtraction number sentence. So we need to write the symbol subtract. Now, how many candles have been subtracted? How many candles have been crossed out? I can see that the whole of this row has been crossed out. So there are 5 candles in a row. So 5 and 1 more is 6. 6 candles have been crossed out. Write the 6. Check that you've written the same as me. Have you written 10 subtract 6? Now what was the symbol that we needed to write now? Yeah, equals. 2 straight lines, equals. So far our number sentence says 10 subtract 6 equals. Now I need to write how many are left. How many are left? I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 candles left. So write 4 at the end of your number sentence. Your number sentence should say 10 subtract 6 equals 4. If it does, give yourself a little tick. If you need to make some changes, then make them underneath. Well done. Now I'd like you to have a go at writing the subtraction number sentence for this picture. Have a try and we'll go through it on the next slide. Let's see how you got on. Did you remember to count all the people on the bus first to see how many you had to start with? You did? Well done. So there are 5 on the top line and 1, 2 more, 5, 6, 7. So you should have written 7, and remember we're subtracting, so you should have written a subtract. 7 subtract. How many have been taken away? How many have been subtracted or crossed out? Yeah, 2. So you should have written 2. 7 subtract 2 equals, how many are left? I can see that the whole of the top line of the bus is still full. The top of the 10 frame is full. So I know that there are 5. So the answer is 5. Your number sentence should say 7 subtract 2 equals 5. If it does, give it yourself a tick. Well done. If it doesn't, don't worry. Make your changes underneath. Well done for having a go. This is another one for you to have a go at by yourself. Remember to count how many counters there are to start with. how many that you have subtracted and how many are left. Have a go and we'll go through it together on the next slide. Let's see how we got on with this one. Did you look to see how many counters there were in the 10 frame to start with? I can see that there is one space empty. Here, one space is empty in the 10 frame. So there is one less than 10 because it is not quite full. One less than 10 is 9. So there were 9 counters to start with. We're doing a subtraction number sentence, so I need to write subtract. How many counters have been taken away or crossed out? How many have been subtracted? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should have written 4. So far we've got 9, subtract 4 equals, and now we need to work out how many are left. How many are left? Have a look at that 10 frame. This top line is full in the 10 frame and there are no more. The others have been crossed out. So I know the top line of the 10 frame has 5 counters in it. So the answer is 5. Check your number sentence. Did you write 9 subtract 4 equals 5? If you did, give yourself a little tick. If you didn't, don't worry. See where you've made a mistake and make the changes underneath. Remember, I always say, I expect you to try. As long as you've tried, then that's great. So well done. We have written some subtraction number sentences today and I am really proud of you. Well done. Do you remember what today's target was? It was to write a subtraction number sentence. Now we've all had a go at that and we just checked our answers. So I think today you can definitely give yourself a smiley face. Well done. Rainbow Room, don't forget to share your work with us in school. I would absolutely love to see the work that you've done today. And you could send it to me in one of 3 ways. You could get your grown-ups to take a photo of it and send it to me via WhatsApp on the school mobile. You could take a photo and send it to me through our email. If you look on that purple square, it tells you Rainbow's email address. Or if you're out for a walk today for your exercise, you could post it in our postbox at the end of the school drive. Either way, I would love to see your work, so send it in to me please. That would be fantastic. It's now the end of our numeracy lesson today, but we'll carry on with our subtraction next time. You take care. Bye.